Hey, Hunter, that was awesome how you prepared that speech.
Thanks.
One more day! One more day with you guys!
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's just a waste of good French fries.
One more day of playing baseball! Woohoo!
Dylan, stop throwing fries.
See? I told you.
Okay.